Been locked out, Mum.
Oh no. How is it going?
Good.
Dad.
Can we get in through over the window?
You're breaking in?
Yep.
You can. Poor Bruno doesn't know what's going on. Hi. What are you doing?
You're right on the window.
Oh, and Elsie's in.
No. I'm not going to give him a fruit.
That's stuck. Guys, you gotta go open the door for him. Elsie's got it. Oh, you're joking.
How many times?
100.
100 times, Dad. Oh, Elsie's back up.
Right, I'm going to receipt for you.
Why?
This is all the broken things you've done in the house.
Oh.
It took 9 quid. That's what you think of it, isn't it?
Looks it.
No, it's got toys in there. It's got toys in that bag.
In this one? You put toys in this bag?
Look inside. But it is my shoes in there. No.
Just toys.
So, what is that?
Well, careful when you're blanky.
What's okay, right?
So, let me show that.
Right, we are here.
And look behind.
Look where?
She's talking about the swing.
Oh yeah, the swing's been moved. Not very good. Are you ready? You ready? Elsie's a kip. Honestly.
Hi. I want to tell something. I can see a right heater back. Not a string.
You can see what?
A heater.
Oh, heater.
Oh wait.
Did Grandad break it?
No.
I guess he did.
I think he hit it.
He hit it with his metal leg.
No, with it forehead.
Right. Right. What are we doing?
What's the flower?
Oh, water on the plants. Keep on walking. Water on the plants. Right, back. In for the water, the ground. Right, back that way. Good girls. Getting them nice and watery.
Hey.
Right, and then over there. All the plants. Keep on going. All the plants. Hey! No! I'm soaking because of you now. No! Oh, here we go. He's the lad. He's doing it now. Good lad. Oh, you missed that one.
I missed what?
This one. It's because there's not too much in.
It's going everywhere.
Well,
It smells nice though.
no, keep thinking I have to dilute it.
Too late.
Yeah. Fix up and I'll win this one.
It's going to take it all? No.
Oh,
Now you're going to have to test it out.
Oh no. That's me lid. I'm going to do my car as well.
Yeah.
Literally buy one. I've spilt it everywhere. Will it even work?
Don't know. Test it. Oh, I'm going to get squirted. Is it better?
Yeah.
I'm getting wet. So
We've always been
found,
wanting to come down here, haven't we?
yeah, we found like a, don't know what that is.
It's a stream, I think.
Yeah.
Or is it just a bowl of water?
It's empty, whatever it is. Oh no, it's half full.
It's like a little reservoir.
It's like a beck, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then look, firewood.
Really?
And then this is definitely dry.
Yeah. We're building there.
So did this go down to the beach, you said, didn't you?
Yeah, I believe it does. Well, the beach is this, right? But we're not.
Yeah, we should have looked at the map.
Well, we're currently lost in the Dean.
We're not lost.
No, we're not. There's, we're no way.
look,
No, I'll probably break your leg, wouldn't I? Probably shallow.
So we found a little bridge.
Reminds me
It's going to take us up to these steps up here, and hopefully we'll get to the coast. And then we'll be able to walk around. Oh, these just got really tall.
Who did? Me.
No, the...
Oh, blimey, there. Reminds me as a band going in and like
Head first.
running through the farmer's field
Yeah.
with all the sunflowers. Or running in the farmer's field. Oh, pretty. Ow.
If it was cut, it would make a good picnic place.
It reminds me of cheddar.
Oh, with
Remember
all the
them
steps. Yeah.
What were they called again?
Oh, the climb. No, that climb. That
It was
was...
like the Devil's Stairway or something stupid like that.
Yeah.
Like crazy.
Right, let's head up these
Do you know
steps.
do you know what reminded me of? The little bridge.
Yeah?
Remember that really well of Carl jumping into the river with his kid?
No?
Years ago. Yeah. I always remember, I was like, he's going to break his leg. He's going to break his leg. Gosh.
All these steps are tall.
There's birds everywhere. We've now entered the field. There's a sign. Right. Them steps were a bit awkward like. But do you know what? I think it's worth it for the view what we're going to get in a second. Honestly, so beautiful. Look at that. Honestly, when the sun is out in England, it's well lush. I feel like that every time we come here, them two boats are continuously there. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Not been this far down, have we?
No.